This video is going to have a ton of color, plenty of experimentation, and a complete lack of information. So if you're into that type of thing, this is going to be perfect for you. So as you can see, we've got lots of stuff ready to go right here. But before we get into the project today, I wanted to give you a booth update. If you don't know, our paint booth has been stuck at the old facility for about 6 months waiting on a demo permit. But I'm very happy to say that the demo permit was secured, the booth was taken down from the old facility, and it is now put up almost all the way in this facility. Now, we still got plenty of permits left for the reinstallation, fire alarm, fire suppression, electrical. So we're still a month or two out from being operational, but we're very excited to share that we've made some incredible progress. So we'll be spraying full cars again before you know it. And thank you very much for sticking with us. In the meantime, it means a lot. So if you've seen some of these other videos in the past, you know that from time to time, we used to take partial gallons from old videos, gather them all together, and then just start mixing them willy-nilly to get all sorts of crazy combinations. We're doing a version of that today. We've got 10 different paint cups from different projects that we've done since we've moved to the new facility. Some of them, the pigment has completely settled to the bottom and it's going to need complete agitation. Some of them, the pigment has leached completely into the mid coat or base coat and basically dyed the paint permanently. So we've got 10 here, and Gabe and I were thinking we're gonna do 5 combos of 2 randoms, right? Now the challenge is, how do we pair them together? Because there's no labels on them, so we don't know which one's which. The only one I can say in confidence is I believe this is the version 1 Galaxy pigment that we did last week. Outside of that, we've got blues, we've got greens, we've got whatever the heck that is in here. So do you want to just start grabbing things and see if they make sense?
I mean, we could make it make sense by trying to go with similar colors that are there, or tones, or we could get wild and start mixing like a purple with the green, or...
This is something dark.
Looks like a ZB pearl.
It could be. And then this is something. So do you want to just call that a combo right off the bat?
Sure.
Complete random. This is a dyed green. I don't know if it was a pearl or a toner at one point.
Looks like a pearl, but it almost has a candy effect right now.
Yeah, bled in. So this could go, this has like a purplish tone to it. We don't want to go too safe, right? What about with the Galaxy? You don't like that. What about this green with this silvery, buttery brown?
Sure.
Great. Now we've got a bluish aqua.
Okay.
And the Galaxy? I'm just going to keep throwing the Galaxy in until we find a
No,
pair
I want
for
the
it.
Galaxy to work.
All right, what do you want the Galaxy to go with? Let's just start with that. We've got this bluish, purpley, greenish thing. We've got this purpley.
We want to stay on the darker side. So what's that dark one in the back?
I don't know.
Let's go with that.
Okay, perfect. And then we've got a green, a bluish green, a purpley, and another bluish purpley.
Let's mix one of the purples with one of the others.
Okay, a lot of detail here. We've got a lot of organization. And again, I know at the end of the video, if you like some of these combinations, you guys are going to leave comments going, what were those 2 colors? I want to replicate it. I don't know. But that's kind of the fun of it, isn't it?
Yes.
You ready to go? We've got a lot of mixing to do and a lot of spraying to do, and hopefully one of them turns out halfway decent.
I hope so.
Let's go. All right, guys, we're all done with the experiment, and I have to be honest, we love doing stuff like this. We're mixing together all these random colors. You never know what you're gonna get. Some of these colors might have been single pigments. Some may have already been combinations of other colors. Either way, I can't wait for you to see them. You know what to do. Take a good look at each one and leave a comment below and let me know which one was your favorite, which one surprised you. If you want to play with any of our paints or pigments, we have peelable, we have permanent. It's all in one place for you right at DipYourCar.com. Gabe and I had a blast on this video. I really hope you enjoyed watching it. I'll see you on the next one.